Hi, my name is Mihir, and I'm a rising junior at St. Francis High School. And this is my first milestone, so I got my force-sensitive resistor to work, also known as an FSR. And I categorize it into 4 different sections. So as you can see here, there's no pressure, and then there's a light squeeze, a medium squeeze, and then there's a big squeeze. So these categorizations really help because when I implement this into my actual shoe, I can tell how much a medium amount of pressure or a high amount of pressure is being put while running. For example, if a lot of pressure is being put on the heel when you're running, it leads to knee injuries, so this can help me predict that. And how the FSR actually works is there's a conductive layer in the middle of the sensor, and as the film on top is being pressed onto it, it lowers the resistance of the entire circuit. So when I first created my circuit, I used a breadboard so that I could avoid soldering and I could just test out how it would work. But then I had to make it straight onto my Arduino because I wouldn't be able to have a breadboard on my actual shoe. So when I first created my circuit, I used a 10K ohm resistor, but this led to one of my main problems was because I was getting a pressure value range of about 650 to 1023, and 1023 is equal to 5 volts, which is what the Arduino caps out at. So even if I put a medium amount of pressure or even a large amount of pressure, they would both be capped at 1023, so I couldn't differentiate from the two. So instead I changed the 10K ohm resistor to a 220 ohm resistor, and this gave me a range of about 20 to 700, and this was a lot more accurate because I could actually tell the difference between different amount of pressures. And for my second milestone, I'm planning to add an accelerometer and be able to actually get the data on the serial monitor. So yeah, thank you.